kali kala jan yu andre bakan dari bakayu dia kemat udan ni kumangi haki CCTV cameras footages minya udan ka handset ula di pentip shaka branch bakam dan kanu kanu jiman saw hakamet chu dia kata ka ong ba kani kali ka tenra yu lesia kala ya state ne kala jan day yu hande ban ong bakan tenra yu bu dawa tu silak ki kata kalau along bi an bakam nong rem tu menshua hai uni laden badni mentala dan kumak laisna me but laden benta kaban kem hi kali ba truck sama hatu kani ji udan marwai but let's see bakin danya step ru ne kina jan rai u ne slot yu uladi ban pentip shaka branch but hakani ka benta ru kila don hi ki officers but ki head constables ban ban dan kuna Mahendra uni pada nak duty pada ulashin kabu pada ban dawa pisa simat ni.
Atau ni kalau di kadang piong mapiyo na CCTV kita bersempur pada ikut ban lap ini kam bau new kita bungat dia.
Ambil ke CCTV kalau punya ke CCTV hadin bakal ada ke jinja pada ngisap ni analyze kam dia beri pet CCTV bersisi ding hab hei ke jika hei kerja nak dapat hei ke CCTV balak balak kecing dia jung beri.
Dia open clip
ada tam tas ni garang dan ke inquiry ban ila register case. Nani sepan ngin dang toket show lau dan ti kiwe ki bala angat hakum kini ki apat hi ki ban wan sakmat hi ban kawai ru ye ki ban nabar hi ngakentu kan pham ki ru ba ki ban phone hi ka number 112 ta kidan kenu wan wes ka kedua ka balang company hi ka penthamaran ya ka district police pada kan police berapa wahi
ketika
in ka bakin maintain kata disiplin kin nang ban buram ya ki wai kar kom kren ki wai ki kam tam jadi laki baklaru kadam kam ban dan kata kerum ban ka kren ki da akor kabar pada kinyat bekum ka anhi kimle kanu dikile kanu kambi anhi timot kilangat hi hakai ban nginum spare yano kumong ne hi kinda zero tolerance for corruption and extortion di ya kata ngin bat ya kata ban ngin persang bet ngin nangyay persang bet ba ka medla police par ka iskasis police par ka STP hi ngin ai kata ka shakri sopat ba ban ngin maintain kata ka discipline war kata karam. The video was uploaded on YouTube by one Karan Gola XP by this name, and it was circulated on other social media platforms wherein allegations of Shillong police was alleged to have threatened and extorting the occupants of a vehicle, and that a fine of 15,000 was taken from them. This video went viral yesterday, the 12th of January 2026, and following this video an inquiry was made and the following facts were ascertained. The individual was identified today as Reganson Kharlor, 35 years. He is a home guard volunteer posted at Maranting Traffic Branch, and on the 26th of December 2025 at about 9:35 a.m. he was on clamping duty in Maranting sector, and at that particular time he was near Saulat. The vehicle which these occupants were travelling in was a white Maruti 800 bearing registration number AS01F1460, and this was proceeding towards Happy Valley, and while driving past him it almost dashed him. This home guard volunteer then gave chase on foot and also took right from the scooty of a passerby and intercepted the vehicle at Happy Valley Bazaar. He got inside the Maruti 800, and thereafter all these abuses were hurled at the occupants. He had threatened them and initially had asked for 1 lakh, and after constant beating by the occupants, the amount was actually had come down to rupees 15,000, and two of the occupants of the vehicle had gone to the ATM at Malanting Bazaar, and 15,000 was paid to him. This was not reported to the traffic branch, the in charge of Malanting traffic branch, nor to the staff of Malanting traffic branch, and this has only come to light when this video was circulated yesterday. Following this inquiry, a sumoto case has been taken up by Malanting PS 8126 under the sections of 308(5), which pertains to extortion, 351 for intimidation, and 352 for abusive language of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. And the Home Guard has been arrested today, and he has been removed from all duties in the district and shall be produced before court today. The victims have been contacted and they will be appearing before the police for recording of statement, and investigation will proceed to ensure that we charge sheet the case at the earliest.